Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorial how to add text. So you can create text by using this text tool. I will use horizontal type tools. Click at this point and you can set the names. I will set into example. You want to create art text, you can go to these tools, you can click and then will be show for wrap text option. The next change style into arch to set the text arch like this. You also can set bending at this point. And the other option, you also can see another arch option, arch lower like this, or you can set into arch upper. Or the other, you can use these arch tools. Okay, that's it for a basic Photoshop tutorial how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.